Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at these two cars from Hot Wheels J Importers. So if you guys know from last video, we opened the first and second car. So now let's open the third and fourth car in the series. So let's go pop them open right now. So the first car that we're going to take a look at is the Honda S200, the third car in the series from J Importers. There we go. Let's take a look at this car. Let's quickly pop it open. Alright, let's open that up. Oh, okay, there it is. The Honda S200. So if we're taking a look at this car, I really love the body kit, or like the style of the body on the car. Has a nice spoiler at the back, some chrome 5 spokes. Has the Honda logo on the front and some headlight tampos. It says Hot Wheels Ryu Rides and some air vents on the car. And also does have a back headlight tampos, which is pretty neat because like you don't really see them much on Hot Wheels cars. But still, look at it, has a little blower on the top of the car. But still, there's a lot of detail in this car, and I think yeah, it's pretty cool though. But yeah, that's all I gotta say for this car. So let's quickly put on here. Let's just put it down. Oh, didn't make it. I think it's because of the thing here. You gotta put it closer, but yeah, here it is, the Honda S2000 in yellow. So let's just kind of park it right here. Alright guys, let's take a look at the next car we got is the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Fourth car in the series from J Importer. So let's go take a look at this car quickly. Oh, alright. Oh. Oh no, my Miata. Alright, that just kind of flew out open. What? It just went like boom. What the? That was actually a pretty clean opening. Like, look at that. That was pretty clean. We didn't do that much damage, but still. Alright, let's put this here. And alright, guys. This Miata is very interesting. I love the design of this car. It has a bunch of details all over the car. It has like a zipper, some like a bunch of designs on here that I don't know what it is. But I'm not sure. It also has this. I don't know what this is, but I know it is something. It still has that all over the car. It has a cyan underbody. In the back, wheels are made out of purple chrome, and the front just has some pink paint for the wheels. I love the design. It's just all like misshaped and like very cool. Has no it's a convertible Miata. I love the white color and all those pixels and stuff. It says has all these signatures on the side, but look at that, Ryu Rides on the side. There are no back headlight tampos, but still, guys, this Miata is actually very cool. I love the, I don't know, just something about it looks pretty cool. It says Tono tires on the back. So yeah, guys, just quickly put it on this, and let's hope it works. I don't really want to, alright. Okay, it didn't make it again, so alright, guys. Let's get it back. So just put it on here. Boom. Boom. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Search it up in the YouTube bar. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a good day. And yeah, bye.